Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, New York City, we have Fredrik Ekstrom. He is the Head of European FICC at Nasdaq, and we're going to take a look at leveraging sustainability and data expertise into the Nasdaq Sustainable Bond Network. Fredrik, thanks so much for joining us at Market Site. Let's talk about the fixed income area first. What are some of the key trends and developments that you're seeing right now?
There's a couple of things happening in the fixed income space. One is the transformation to more electronic execution, especially in the OTC fixed income space. The other one is really the development of the sustainable bond market. It's still a quite small part of the overall bond market, but it's growing really fast.
All right, now when you mentioned sustainability, can you discuss some of the initiatives that Nasdaq is working on?
Sure. So actually, Nasdaq Europe was the first exchange that launched a sustainable bond market in 2015. And since that, the market has grown in terms of listing a lot every year, and we have continued to develop the market. We have launched more sustainable debt products. We have created more data points and actually enhanced the transparency around the sustainable bond market. And now we are sort of utilizing this experience and our competence in Nasdaq and launching a global sustainable bond network with the aim to really enhance the transparency around the sustainable bond market.
All right, now can you give us some of the background on the Nasdaq Sustainable Bond Network and where we are today with it?
Sure. So the mission here is really to gather investors and issuers, create a global platform, create transparency around the sustainable bonds, build data points, standardize impact reporting, and with that, create an opportunity for investors to compare bonds between region and between issuers. We will also develop the market together with the participants. So we're going to create a global advisory board consisting of expert organizations within sustainability, banks, issuer, and investors. And the aim here is really to continue to develop the sustainable market, to grow the sustainable market, and by that also help in the transformation into a more sustainable society.
All right, Fredrik, great to have you with us at
Thank
Market Site. And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.